Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. If you're looking for an exciting and easy way to make money online in 2025, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to share a fresh AI-powered side hustle that can help you earn $1,000 per week. Yes, you heard that right, $1,000 every single week, all thanks to the latest AI tools and platforms. Stick with me until the end because I'll not only explain the step-by-step process, but also give you bonus tips to maximize your earnings. Let's get started. The world of AI is growing faster than ever, and it's creating incredible opportunities for individuals like you and me to earn money online. Whether you're a tech expert or a complete beginner, this side hustle is designed to be simple, efficient, and most importantly, profitable. The best part? You don't need any fancy equipment or huge investments to get started. All you need is a laptop, internet connection, and a bit of your time. Today, we're going to focus on offering AI-enhanced content creation services. Businesses, influencers, and marketers are always looking for high-quality content, and with AI tools, you can create that content quickly and easily and charge a premium for it. Let me show you how. Step 1. Choose your niche. The first step is to decide on the type of content you want to create. Here are some ideas. 1. Social media captions and posts. 2. Blog articles. 3. Product descriptions for e-commerce sites. 4. Email newsletters. 5. Video scripts like this one. Pick a niche you're interested in or feel comfortable with. For example, if you love fitness, you could create AI-generated content for gyms, personal trainers, or fitness influencers. Step 2. Use AI tools to create content. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to start creating content. Here are some of the best AI tools for this side hustle. 1. ChatGPT or similar tools. Use these tools to write engaging and tailored content. Simply enter prompts like write a social media post about topic or create a blog outline for subject, and you'll get high-quality results in seconds. 2. Jasper AI. This is another excellent tool for generating creative and compelling copy. It's especially useful for marketing and sales-focused content. 3. Canva with AI integration. If your clients need graphics along with text, Canva's AI features can help you design eye-catching visuals quickly. 4. Descript. For those offering video scripts or transcriptions, Descript is a fantastic AI-powered tool to edit and refine text or audio content. Step 3. Find clients. Now that you have the tools and know how to create amazing content, it's time to find clients who will pay you for your services. Here are a few ways to land your first gig. 1. Freelancing platforms. Sign up on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Create a profile that highlights your AI-powered services and showcase a few samples. 2. Social media outreach. Reach out to potential clients on platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook. Send them a direct message offering your services and share a sample of what you can do. 3. Cold emailing. Identify businesses or influencers in your niche and send them a personalized email explaining how your AI-enhanced content can benefit them. For networking groups, join online communities, Facebook groups, or forums where your potential clients hang out and offer your services there. Step 4. Set your pricing. Pricing is key to hitting that $1,000 per week goal. Here's a simple breakdown of how to structure your rates. Charge $50 to $100 per blog post. Offer social media packages starting at $200 per month. Provide email newsletters at $100 per email. Create video scripts for $150 to $300 each. If you land just 5 to 10 clients, you can easily hit your $1,000 weekly target. Step 5. Deliver exceptional results. Always prioritize quality and consistency. Even though AI tools do most of the heavy lifting, take time to personalize and refine the content for each client. This will help you build a strong reputation and get repeat business. 1. Create a portfolio. Build a simple website or use platforms like Behance to showcase your work. 2. Leverage AI automation. Use AI to schedule posts, analyze performance, and generate ideas. This saves time and allows you to focus on finding more clients. 3. Upsell services. Once you've established a client base, offer additional services like keyword research, content strategy, or SEO optimization. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more awesome tips like this. Also, drop a comment below and let me know which part of this side hustle you're most excited to try. I'd love to hear your thoughts and answer any questions you might have. Thank you for watching and happy hustling. Let's make 2025 the year you take control of your financial future. See you in the next video.